Hello and welcome, welcome. Thank you for taking the time out today. I want to share a bit about myself, why I do what I do, and a quick favor from you. Yes, you. My name is Dr. Anika Thrower, and I am a college professor here in New England at 2 different colleges. Also, I am the author of the book entitled The Art of Dominating the Winner's Circle for the College-Minded Student. And out of all of that, my mission in life is to ensure that 2.5 million students, young adults and students, realize that they are college material and they can take their lives to the next level through mindset. How do I do that? Well, I go to colleges and I talk to students. My goal in life is to encourage students no matter where they are in their life, no matter what background they came from. Now, when I talk about backgrounds, a lot of times students these days are first-generation college-minded students or first-generation students, meaning they're the first students or first people in a long line of people in their lives going to college, which is really a big deal for so many reasons, which I won't get in today. Also, I like to mentor and talk to underserved populations. Underserved populations. When I say underserved populations, those are populations or pockets of students to where, based on their backgrounds, you wouldn't think that they would go to college. And more importantly, within them, they're thinking that they're not college material. And for the students out there, those groups of people, underserved populations or underrepresented populations, as well as first-generation college students, I have a special message for them. And if that's you, that means you. They are college material. The only thing that's needed is the desire to succeed. And so when we're talking about being college-minded, we're talking about that mindset. Exactly what does it take to be a college-minded student? Exactly what does it take to make it to that next level and live on a college campus? So I like to equip students with that sort of information because I believe that every student, every young adult has it within them to make it to that next level. It doesn't take any kind of special person to excel in college. What it takes is that mindset. And once that mindset sets in, the sky is truly the limit. So thank you for taking the time and letting me share a little bit about myself. Please follow me on Facebook. You can find me under Dr. Anika Thrower. Also, I'm on Twitter at Dr. Anika Thrower. Also, I'm on Instagram at Dr. Anika Thrower. And of course, I asked for a favor, so here it goes. I would like for you to share messages that you feel may be of value to other people, messages that really resonate with you. I like to talk a lot about mindset. I like to talk about personal health. I talk a lot about our environment because at the end of the day, we are our environment. We are our environment. You know, there's an exercise that I have a lot of times with my students, and sometimes it's impromptu, where I'll say, hey, take out your cell phones. And they'll wonder, you know, what's going on, or they've caught on, and they'll take out their cell phones. And I'll say, look at the last 5 contacts you have in your cell phone. Whether it's people who have called you or you've called those people, do they help or do they harm your college journey? Do they help or do they harm your college journey? And periodically, I ask my students, think about it. Think about it. And it's not a trick question. What does it mean for you to be a college-minded student? What does it mean for you to be a college-minded student today in this moment? And I say in this moment because sometimes it changes. So once again, my favor to you is if you see anything that resonates on my social media sites, please share. Maybe it's not necessarily a message that you can use that particular day, but you may have another young adult who could. I appreciate the time you've taken today. Until next time, I want you, and I didn't forget about you, to stay college-minded.